Welcome to Bite-Sized Buzz. Why do so many people love hot dogs? Because they're a delicious, timeless classic. Let's dive into making the perfect one. Happy National Hot Dog Day, everyone! Whether you're grilling, boiling, or microwaving, today is all about enjoying that juicy, savory goodness. Get that grill hot and place your dogs on direct heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning frequently. Look for those beautiful grill marks. Yum! If you prefer boiling, bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and drop in your hot dogs for about 5 minutes. They'll come out plump and steamy. And for the microwave mavens, wrap your hot dog in a paper towel and nuke it for 30 to 40 seconds. Quick and easy. Now, the fun part, toppings. Whether it's classic mustard and relish or adventurous chili and cheese, there's no wrong way to dress your dog. So, fire up the grill, heat that pot, or zap away. Enjoy this National Hot Dog Day and make some tasty memories with friends and family. Thank you for celebrating National Hot Dog Day with us. If you enjoyed this video and found our tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, where we bring you the latest buzz. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting and mouth-watering content. Stay safe, stay delicious, and happy hot dogging!